Well, finally got headers. I was going to put them on today, but paintings took most of the day. Had to wipe them down, clean them off, get the oils off of them. They just raw metal. And hit them with some 2000 degree Rust-Oleum. See if it's any good or not. Got one coat on. I've done a light dusting and one coat. I'll put 4 or 5 on it. Hate painting flat black. Well, got the shorties out. Quite a, you can see I've tried to modify it to make it easier to work with, but it's quite a bit of difference. Let's hope that they fit. So far, good fit. I gotta pull them back off, put a gasket on, but tight right there, but we're not touching anywhere. And then underneath matches up. It's tight on the frame right there, but I can push it up maybe a little bit just to get it to clear, but I didn't do nothing. Like, it took 10 minutes to get this part on. It's crazy. I was expecting way worse. Alright, here's a rundown this morning. If you can see, it had to notch the frame rail right there. Also had to cut the floor and raise it a few inches and put a patch panel in. I still got to do something about that. The cam sensor and crank sensor wires, they're touching the header. It didn't melt on the trip in. I was worried that it would. I've got it double wrapped with heat stuff, but it's not the best. Got to figure out how to reroute that. This side was smooth as silk until dummy me didn't think about the clutch hose, and of course it melted. So I gotta figure out how to fix that. I don't know if I just overlooked it or what, but fired up. I think it's a little quieter, to be honest, but I'm gonna try to make a comparison video to see.